Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Ah! Ah! Phew, that was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! No! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous. Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel. We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh! Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max? Oh, Eric's made a bridge! Oh, 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 oh. The concrete's almost set. Go, Max, go! Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye! Where's all this mess come from? Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button. Oh, phew. Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh,
I hate rockets.
come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's Green's birthday, and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Ah, everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in! Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. Welcome, baby truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old. Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh, we'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing bots! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh! Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew. You saved the day, Blue. Hooray for our hero. Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye! That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's garage. Bye! Achoo! Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan, Green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Hey! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, go, mechanicals. Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, Baby Truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! Cough, cough, cough. I'm not feeling well. My cheeks are red. I'm too hot, can't you tell? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Time to take a rest. My muscles are stiff and sleeping would be best. Green Mechanical is the nurse, but who can service, carry the bus? Cough, 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 I'm not feeling well. Snip, 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 Gecko isn't well. Think, 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 pick up all the tools. Plan your jobs, now that's the only rule. A polish and weld, a wheel change would be good. But which tool works, that must be understood. Take care, mechanicals, these are not toys. Some things are heavy, what's that noise? Sleep, 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 I'm not feeling well. Take my medicine, I'm not feeling well. Oh no! Bump, bump, bump. Something isn't right. You've gone too fast and the wheel is stuck tight. Slow, 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 time to be a team. Check those tools, it's not as hard as it seems. Which tool works to loosen that wheel? I already know, but I'm too ill. Rub, rub, rub to polish and shine. Turn, turn, turn to get the wheel in line. Smile, 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 now I'm very pleased. Mechanicals have done the job with ease. They have worked well as a team. Now I'm thinking, is this a dream? Smile, 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 what a good team. Smile, 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 a very good team. Gecko's finished work, he's heading home at last. He sees a fire up ahead and he calls Fiona fast. Now Fiona is on her way, her lights and sirens blast. Mummy and baby block the road and Fiona can't get past. Oh no! Mummy and baby can't hear her siren, it's not loud enough. After a little scare, she eventually gets there. She put the fire out and Gecko says, well, I declare, to the garage we will go and sort this out, you know. A brand new siren we will fit and everyone will know. Wow, that's loud! Everyone can hear you from miles around now. Now someone's running amok. It's Max, the monster truck. He skids into the wet concrete and now he might get stuck. Well, now he's not so cool. He's run right out of fuel. And if the concrete sets, he's stuck and that would be so cruel. Oh no! He's in the wet concrete. He could be stuck forever. They try a plank of wood, but that sinks, it's no good. But Eric has a plan and Gecko says that's understood. Now running short of time, Gecko starts his climb. He poured the fuel into the tank and they got out just in time. Phew! It looks like Max has learnt his lesson now, everybody. It's time for hip hooray for Green Mac's big birthday. We'll tie up all these coloured balloons, but Fiona's flown away. Let's find a way to stop and make those balloons go pop. With a big, big bounce, those clever Macs make Fiona's safety drop. Oh, hooray! Thank goodness, everyone. Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max! I'm coming! Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max! We'll think of something. Max! If I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max! Aim for the garage! Ah, there you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
All done, Mechanicals. It's Christmas Eve and the garage looks perfect. Do you all know what you want from Santa? Oh, you don't know, Blue? Well, you'd better decide. Santa will be here soon. Oh, whoa! I didn't think he'd be here that soon. Hello, Santa.
Gecko, I need your help. My reindeers are ill, so my sleigh won't fly, and I need to ride it through the sky. If I don't deliver all these toys, there'll be no Christmas for the girls and boys.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll get it flying. That's it.
Christmas is saved by Gecko's crew, so here's a gift for each of you.
Just what I need. Thank you, Santa. Have you decided what you want, Blue?
Oh, you want to ride upon my sleigh? Then hop on board. Let's fly away. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Gecko's Garage.
Merry Christmas.
It's Dylan the dump truck. How can we help you today? You're having problems with your dumper? Go, Mechanicals! I see. Your dumper keeps dumping itself. Let's have a look. I think the piston needs replacing. Pulling this lever will stop it dumping, whilst I fetch a new piston. This will fix the problem.
Oh.
Huh? How did that get flipped back? Oh, so it was you plugging the cable back in. Oh, that's okay. You've had some fun. Now let's get the work all done. That's your new piston fitted, Dylan, but I've got an idea for this old piston. Okay, Mechanicals, all done. Check out your brand new slide, built using Dylan's old piston. What's all that noise? the bus. Looks like he's in a rush. Are you all right, Barry? Oh, you're worried about being late. You're not going to get anywhere like this. Let's take a look at you. Green, could you fetch my best wrench, please? Oh, Green, you're feeling stressed, aren't you? I think we all need to take a deep breath. Let me show you. First, we take a deep breath in. Then, we breathe out. Now you try. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Better? Remember, it's always good to take a deep breath if you're feeling stressed. Bye, Barry. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Ow! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck! There's a fire!
We're saved! Oh!
Let's help fight that fire! Go, go, mechanicals!
Oh! Save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked!
Oops! Sorry! The hose won't reach! Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye. Looking spooky, mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside. I'd better take a look. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, Mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone! Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Woohoo! Happy Halloween! Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please? Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck! Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's garage, Fiona. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today. So we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look! Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top. We can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Hoo-hoo-ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Happy Halloween! It's all right, mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's garage. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh look, it's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, Mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Bobby the bus is not so well. What was that noise? How can we tell? Bobby, what's wrong? You're looking sad. Your temperature's rising, let's hope it's not bad. We'll look in the engine, check those wheels. Any loose nuts or engine seals, that's not a problem, I know what to do. We'll check the water and fill it for you. Now then, Yellow, please bring over the water. Whoa, look out! Bobby the bus is not quite right. What has upset him? What is his plight? Don't worry, Bobby, we'll look some more. And I'll have a think now I'm sat on the floor. What made me slip? I think there's a clue. There's oil on the floor and it's leaking from you. That's not a problem, I know what to do. We'll raise you high and take a look under you. We just need to raise the platform, don't you worry. Bobby the bus, we're nearly through. We'll weld the oil pipe and fix it for you. No more leaking, the sparks are gone. Your ouchie is fixed and a plaster put on. Bobby the bus is feeling good. The oil is fresh and it's understood. There's no more problems, we knew what to do. Now Bobby's back and his engine is cool. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, hello, is that someone we know? Do you think it's Gecko in Halloween disguise? Hello, hello, yes, it's someone you know. Look, it's your friend Gecko in Halloween disguise. Just a second, what's that noise? Listen, can you hear? Oh no, there it goes again. Did you just hear it too? The spooky wooky sound is frightening me, yellow and blue. Hello, hello, are you someone we know? Scaring blue and yellow in Halloween disguise. Wait a minute, I've just heard the noise, it came from blue. Some oil will fix that spooky noise, so that's what we will do. Hello, hello, are you someone we know? Trick or treating Gecko in Halloween disguise. Happy Halloween, everyone! Bye!